Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja kinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya senete igie guthingatithia thayo na urumwe kurumirira itua ria seneta wa guthukio Catherine Muma kwandikira bunge ya seneta agitariria wagagu wake kumana na kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia atongoria amwe megatu bururi-ini gutuhuka miario ya RUMENA neria augite ngiaga kurorwo wega no icungiririe wagagu no haguku wa ugitiri murugamo uria wikirirwo ritu ni Kanja.
But those are the offenses that are going to get people who've been living together, okay, going at each other just because one is a Luo and another is a Kikuyu, or one is a Somali and another one is a Kikuyu. We need to stop this.
There are many investigations that are ongoing, even now as we speak here, affecting on matters that probably were raised over the weekend or came up during the weekend. So investigation is actually a continuous process on our share and on our members.
Kanja uria gwikinyitie hamwe na munini wake Eliud Langat na munini wa murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa DCI John Onyango erire kamiti no miario imwe koretwo igituhukwo ni gikundi kia atongoria amwe bururi-ini ri na uhoti wa guthararia thayo na urumwe wa muingi wa bururi guku arutire mukana atongoria othe gwithemana na mutuhuko uyu wa miario.
Security is a shared responsibility between all of us. We as the primary we have got the primary duty for security, but the communities and the people have also the responsibility when it comes to matters security.
This issue of hate speech is so serious. It may be the reason this country would go south. And I would want to urge, Chair, that this committee revisit this issue, because in my view, I have not seen a tangible resolution of this issue.
Kanja hinyiriirie kuona bururi urorete githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite. Ruhonge rwa borithi ruricamba kung'ethanira na ciiko ta ici cia mutuhuko wa miario na kana undu ungi wothe ungicungiriria gutharara gwa thayo wa bururi.
The issue of having the key stakeholders, everybody working with everybody, I think that is the best way going forward, so that after all, at the end of the day, even once we are through with our politics and elections, we still have our country to continue. I think we have only 1 minute.
Oho Kanja ugite ne manyitanire na kamiti ya guthingatithia thayo na urumwe bururi-ini NCIC niguo kung'ethanira na ciiko ta ici. Akiuga ni arikitie gutuma maabitha uthuthuria DCI kuri kamiti ya NCIC niguo kumateithiriria hari utabania wa uthuthuria. Undu umwe no tacukiria wa makinya marumu ma kiwatho aria othe marituhukaga miario ya RUMENA.
Despite the fact that we have attached some technical officers to the NCIC, these are supported majorly by the DCI, who actually is actually the chief investigator for criminal offenses, meaning the team that is attached to the NCIC works together with the other teams and the other specialist units which are domiciled at the DCI.
Mukana uyu wa borithi ukite oriri ciiko ici cia mutuhuko wa miario ikoretwo ciongererekete na njira nene ica-ini ikuhi. Makiria mĩcemanio-inĩ ya kiuteti ĩrĩa ĩthiĩte na mbere gũtabanio nĩ mĩahũ ĩtiganĩte ya kiuteti bũrũri-inĩ. Gũkũ Kanja nginya gwetete ũtheremia wa mĩario ĩno kũhĩtũkĩra nenda cia kĩrĩu gũkoretwo kũrĩ mũhĩnga mũnene. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.